Hello! Here behind me there is the predictive maintenance application that we specifically made for industrial ventilation markets. So how it works? Well, hardware side it embeds our Easy Edge, the low-powered, high-reach feature microcontroller. This little beauty here analyzes data from the edge and then shoot it in the cloud, showing predictive maintenance and anomalies of this airflow system. That's the engine here. How? Well, through two different kind of sensors. One basically detects some anomalies through blades that are cooled down when the air passing through the engine. But if there is some obstruction, the blade heat it up, showing some anomalies. All the data, as I said before, are analyzed on the edge and retrieved on the cloud. So now you can see that there is some anomalies because there is some obstruction and something is obstructing the air to flow. The second, it's the air pollution sensor that allows to detect if there is some pollution in the air. So, this example, I have some alcohol in my hands, I put it here, and in the Clea platform you can see that it detects some pollution in the air. Plus, of course, all the event histories and other data that are shown directly in the app on the cloud.